In the human body, it's believed there are over 200 different types of cells. All of them are different shapes and sizes, and each are specialised to carry out a particular function. However, in saying that, every cell will have certain parts in common, as well as common organelles and common functions. So for ease of study, a human cell can be divided into three main parts: the plasma membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. The plasma membrane, which is this part here, so this yellow line that surrounds a cell, can also be referred to as just the cell membrane. And this forms the cell's flexible outer surface, separating the cell's internal environment from the external environment. It's a selective barrier that regulates the flow of materials into and out of a cell. And it's this selectivity which helps establish and maintain the appropriate environment for normal cellular activities. So we need to maintain quite a consistent, specific environment within the cell for the cell to carry out its functions. The plasma membrane also plays a key role in communication, so both between cells and between the cell and the external environment. The cytoplasm consists of all of the cellular contents between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. So it's between this dark yellow line and this big purple dot here. So all of this stuff in here. The cytoplasm itself is made up of two components. So we have the cytosol, which is the fluid portion of the cytoplasm. Sometimes it's referred to as the intracellular fluid. So intra within, cellular obviously referring to the cell. The cytosol contains water, dissolved solutes like ions, and then suspended particles. Within the cytosol are several different shaped organelles, also termed our mini organs. And so each organelle has a very characteristic shape and a specific function. And we'll talk more about our major organelles in more detail in the next video recording. So our organelles are all of these funny shaped structures here. The nucleus, as I mentioned, is this big purple circle here. It's a rather large, rather important organelle. Within the nucleus are chromosomes, and our chromosomes contain all of the genetic material for that particular organism.